In this video, we are asked to write a function rule from a graph. So we've got a graph, as you can see, and we've been given a set of coordinates. And what are we going to do? Well, we're going to do a couple of things. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the slope. And how are we going to find the slope here? We are going to use the slope formula. So let me slide this down. We're going to use the two coordinates that we've been given. And for those of you that need a refresher, remember that the slope formula is y2 minus y1, over x2 minus x1. And it doesn't matter which ordered pairs you call x2 and y2 and y1, x1 and y1 and x2 and y2, but you have to be consistent once you label them. In other words, I've labeled this y2, so this is going to be my first number. I'm going to have 12, and my y1 was -2, so 12 minus -2, and I'm going to divide that. As you can see here, my x2, let's see, is 3, and that's going to be 3 minus, and what's my x1 point? It is -4. And notice that I am moving slowly and carefully and using parentheses and making sure my negatives are in parentheses. And now I'm going to think before I strike, if you will. This is 12 minus -2. I'm taking away a negative, which means that 12 minus -2, of course, is 14, and it's positive 14. And 3 taking away -4, that would be the same as 3 plus 4, which is 7. So it's pretty apparent to me here that the slope of this line, 14 over 7, is going to be 2. All right, once I've got my slope, let me slide that up just a little bit, I need to find my y-intercept. Where am I going to find my y-intercept? In this case, I'm going to find it from the graph itself, and I can see that this is point 2, 4, 6. So the y-intercept, B, is 6. And what would my equation be? Well, my equation, and I'm sorry, I'm just going to slide this up a little bit more, would simply be this. Y would equal 2x plus 6. And that would be writing a function rule from a given graph.